Hi everyone, I am Patricia and I'm going to discuss about the drawing to scale Imperial. So, the first thing we need to know is the steps on how to compute for the problem. So, the first one is we need to convert measurement from inches to feet. The second is the scale your measurement to the size of your drawing. Third, write the name of the item to be drawn. Next to the name of the item, indicate the measurements needed for drawing and box your answer. Fourth, draw your item and label with original measurements. And lastly, indicate your scale below your drawing. So let me give you an example of a scale of 1/2 foot is equals to 2 feet. So the 1/2 represents the scale. So we need to multiply meter in step 2 by this number. And 2 means to convert. So we need to divide centimeter in step 2 by this number. So just take note that the quotation mark represents inches while the apostrophe represents foot. So for example, you see a given number like this which has a quotation mark, it means that this represents inches. So for our example, we have stove which has a size of 3 feet 3 inches by 3 feet 9 inches with a scale of 1/4 inches is equals to 1 foot. So now we need to compute each numbers separately. So we need to start with a 3 feet and 3 inches. So for our step 1, as you can see, it is written here that we need to calculate the feet. But the given number was already in feet, so we do not need to convert it to feet. So we just need to multiply it to the given scale, which is the 1/4 inches. So our scale is 1/4, so 1/4 or equivalent to 0.75. The answer will be, when multiplied, will be 0.75 or 3/4 feet. So step 2, calculate the inches. So here we have 3 inches. So the 3 inches will be multiplied into 1 foot over 12 inches. So we need to cancel this and we need to divide it, and it will give us an answer of 1/4. And afterwards, multiply it to the scale of 1/4. So 1/4 multiplied by 1/4 is equals to 1/16. So lastly, the step, add the products from step 1 and step 2. So this one, the 3/4, will be added to 1/16. So 3/4 plus 1/16, we cannot add them directly. So we need to look for the lowest common denominator to be able to add. So for these two numbers, 16 will be their LCD, which can be divided into both of the 4 and 16. So when we divide 16 divided by 4 will be 4. Multiply by 3 will give us 12. 16 divided by 16 will be 1. Multiply by 1 give us 1. So it will give us an answer of 13/16. So, but that doesn't end there. So we need to compute for the 3 feet and 9 inches. So the same step will be done. So we need to calculate the feet, but the given number was already in feet, so we will just multiply it by the scale of 1/4 inches. So 3 feet multiplied by 1/4 inches is equals to 0.75 or 3 feet, 3/4 foot. So the step 2, we need to calculate the inches, which is the 9 inches multiplied by 1 foot over 12 inches. And we need to cancel this and divide 9/12, which will give us an answer of 3/4. And multiply it by the scale given, which is the 1/4 scale. So 3/4 multiplied by 1/4 will give you an answer of 3/16. So lastly, we need to add the 3/4 add to 3/16. So find their LCD, which is 16, and 16 divided by 4 will give us an answer of 4. Multiplied by 3 will give us 12. 12 and 16 divided by 16 will give us 1 times 3 and give us an answer of 3. And then add 12 and 3 and will give us an final answer of 15 over 16. So if you have the products of the two numbers, we now conclude that the stove will give us a size of 13 over 16 inches by 15 over 16 inches. As you can see, here is an example of a ruler that is used to draw for the imperial, drawing to scale, or the metric. So a good thing about this ruler is that it represents an inch of 1 over 32 and 1 over 16. Even the 1 over 8, 1/4, and 1/2 is represented by this ruler, which is it means that it's a very good ruler to be used for drawing to scale. So how can we identify which is the 1 over 16 here? Every line represents a 16, and every two lines represents 1/8. So if you count, like for our drawing, given is 13 over 16 by 15 over 16. So from inches, from 1 to 2, we need to count 13 times to get the 13 over 16 inches. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that will be the point where you need to put line from 1 to this point to give you an answer of 13 over 16, which represents the 3 feet and 3 inches. So the next one is we need to draw the 15 over 16. So we need to count 15 times to get the 15 over 16. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So from this point to this end, you need to put line to create a 15 over 16 inches. So if we put this together, it will give us a scale of 3 feet 3 inches, 3 feet by 9 inches. So this is the drawing that represents the stove. And a scale of 1/4 inches is equals to 1 foot. So that's all. Thank you. And I hope you learned something.